Hello friends, my name is Bree. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be doing a DIY hair treatment, deep conditioning treatment for protein-free or protein-sensitive hair. Oh. So, as you can see, this is not my best hair day. This is day 4 hair. Usually by day 4 hair, it is time to rewash or it goes in a ponytail. So today is my perfect day to go ahead and do a DIY hair treatment. So let's get cooking. It's not really cooking, but... So for today's treatment, you will need a hair dryer, some sort of shower cap or microfiber hair towel, a bowl, and whatever ingredients you elect to use. So when it comes to ingredients, it's really your personal choice. I will give you guys a list of things you can use if you are protein sensitive and things that I prefer to use for my hair. So your main 2 ingredients are almost always going to be water and oil of some kind. Water is your moisture, and then oil is an emollient to help lock in the moisture. So for your oil choices, this is the thing that I think is a little bit more in the air. I personally use olive oil, and I know that a lot of people like coconut oil. You could also use castor oil, there's carrot seed oil, there are so many types of oils honestly, but olive oil is definitely the safest option. When it comes to protein sensitive hair, a lot of people also have oil sensitivities. For me personally, I'm cutting out coconut oil for my routine right now. I know coconut oil works amazing for a lot of people, and it is safe for protein sensitive hair. So basically, coconut oil is not protein loaded, like it does not have protein in it. However, it does have a specific acid that works with your hair's protein bonds to strengthen them. So it can lead to some not so desired symptoms for people who have a really high protein sensitivity. So if you are like me or you think you might be, go ahead and start with olive oil, something easy, simple. Now, there are lots of other things that you can add to your DIY treatment. So some things that I like to add are honey. Honey is really good for its antibacterial properties. It also has some humectant properties, so that means it's going to help draw in moisture from the atmosphere into your hair, and that's going to help reduce frizz. And then it's also really good for stimulating the scalp. So I like adding a little bit of honey to pretty much any DIY treatment that I do. Some other things to consider adding would be avocado or banana. Both of these things have a mild amount of protein in them, so you want to be careful if you are protein sensitive. However, I personally still use avocado in my DIY treatments. It is the only product that I use in my DIY treatments that has any sort of protein in it, and really give your hair that shine. So at this point, I go ahead and wet my hair, so that's what I'm going to do right now. So you want your hair damp enough that you know it has water inside of it, but not so soaking wet that there is so much water sitting on top that your products cannot find their way into the hair strand. Now I'm just going to go ahead and mix up my fun little concoction here with my hands. And then I'm going to start applying it towards the top of my hair, and I go ahead and just dunk my head into it, basically at the ends of my hair. So I generally like to make sure that my hair can really absorb it even at the roots, and that is going to be aided when you add heat. It just helps that cuticle open and accept what you have placed on your hair. And I do this for about 10 minutes. I won't do it really any longer than that, and I take breaks in between. And then if I want to leave my deep conditioning treatment on longer, I will, or sometimes I'm just in a hurry and I will just leave it on for about 15 minutes and then go take a shower. If you have acne-prone skin, you do want to be careful of the oils running down your face. That's what's happening to me right here. And then once it has sat long enough, you can go ahead and rinse it off and then cleanse and condition like normal and style as normal. And this is the final result after my DIY deep conditioning treatment. So I think it turned out really well. I think that my hair just continues to keep getting moisturized and is kind of just continuing to be on the right track. And these DIY treatments, regular store-bought deep conditioning treatments, all of these things are just really great and helpful. For me at least, I really feel like the process is worth it to get these nice strands back where they feel more movable and fluffy, and yeah, I just love it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what ingredients you love to use in your DIY deep conditionings at home. It doesn't have to be protein-free or protein-sensitive in any way. I just wanted to do that so that you guys could see for reference what I was talking about in my previous video. But I am really excited to try other DIY conditioning treatments, especially when my hair is not protein sensitive anymore and the keratin straightening treatments that I've done have completely worn away. So yeah, I'm very excited for that. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments down below. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Adios.